Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass Google Parental Control on TCL 501. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on your avatar, and now go to Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy, and you have to scroll down and click Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll all the way down and check these two checkboxes and click Delete account. And now your Google account should be removed, so now let's click Sign In. And now you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is now deleted, so click Next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. And now you have to scroll down and click accept. And as you can see, my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.